up, you guys? My name is Chynna. You guys ready for a haul video? Welcome to my Michaels haul. It is not a Disney haul. So Michaels over the weekend had a huge sale. They had like 50% off their fall decor, 50% off all their Halloween decor. It was insane, and I had to take advantage of it because it makes sense. So I know it's not a Disney haul. However, the stuff that I did buy at Michaels, because it is an arts and crafts store, I bought things for my next couple Disney DIYs. If you guys can guess what my next Disney DIY is, make sure you guys comment it down below. So let's get on to showing you guys what I bought. Let's first start with these little pumpkins that I bought. I got 4 of these guys and they were only 99 cents. So with the sale, I only got it for 49 cents each. And the next thing I got was this tabletop sign that says Harvest with the pumpkin as the A. I thought this was super cute. It was only $14.99 and I only got it for $7.50. Another thing I got was this sign that says Be Grateful. This one really spoke to me because I've been super passionate about spreading gratitude and feeling gratitude. I thought this would be perfect for my apartment. So this was originally $9.99, but I only got it for $5. Another thing I got was this Piggy Bank. It says wedding fund on it. I'm gonna give you guys a little hint. I'm gonna make this a little bit Disney, especially because our wedding is gonna be a Disney wedding. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because look out for that video. This was normally priced at $19.99 and I know this one was on sale too. I just don't remember how much it was. It was 60% off, so I only got it for $8. I also bought orange acrylic paint. This was the only size that they had left. Everyone was shopping at Michaels or something, or they just haven't restocked because I couldn't find the little ones. I really only need a small one, but this was all they had, so I bought it. Who knows, it might come in handy. I might have other DIY projects that I can use this with. And the next thing I got was this balloon banner that said boo, perfect for Halloween. So on to more home decor. I got this cute sunflower with a bunch of berries on it in a tin can. It was normally priced at $9.99, but I only got it for $5. What I also got was this fall garland. Super pretty. I should have got 2 actually, now that I think about it, because I have another idea of what I want to do. Time for another Michaels trip. This was normally $14.99 and I only got it for $7.50. So for more Halloween stuff, I got this pillow that says Happy Halloween. This was normally $29.99 and I got it for $15. So I got another pillow, and this one's my absolute favorite. It says the cutest thing on it. I have to show you guys. It's this pillow and it says home is where your pumpkins are. Isn't it the cutest? This was also normally $29.99 and I got it for $15. So I don't know where my glue gun is, and so I ended up just buying a new one. Even though this one wasn't on sale, I was able to use a 20% coupon. It was normally $3.99 and I got it for $3.19. And then of course, to go with it, I got glue sticks. This was also regular price. It was $2.99, but with a 20% coupon, it came out to $2.40. I also got these circular discs. It came in a pack. I don't need all of them. Who knows? It'll come in handy in case I decide to use something else with it. It's normally $4.49, but I got it for $3.59 with the 20% discount. And to go with that acrylic paint that I got earlier, I bought this little toothbrush. I bought this little paintbrush, which was normally 99 cents, but I only got it for 50 cents. Was it 50 cents? Did I tell you guys how much this was? So this paint was normally $2.99 and I got it for $2.39. Anyway, on to other things that I bought. I bought this little rope. I think they call it a twine. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I knew what I wanted to get. This was regular price. It originally was $3.49 and I got it for $2.80. So 2 other home decor things that I got are these little pumpkins. The yellow one says thankful and the green one says hello harvest. They each were $8.99 and so I got it for $4.50. So what I also got was this shadow box. 11 by 14. It is pretty big and I really want to tell you guys what I want to put in it, but this one is definitely part of one of my Disney DIY projects. I still haven't gotten everything that I want to put for this, but you guys will see. And to complete this video, I got so I got this wreath that's made out of branches. And I got this one too. For that smaller one, I got 2 of them. So the bigger one was normally $4.99, but I got it on sale for $3.99. And then the smaller ones are also only $4.99, but I got it for $3.99. And that is it for my Michaels haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you guys want to guess what I'm going to do for my next Disney DIY projects, leave a comment down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're a fan of Disney, I post all things Disney, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification so that way you guys are notified anytime I upload a new video.